Hello, hello, party people. Tonight, so nighttime, right? We have the Nature's Promise organic jalapeno hot sauce. I think this is the first organic one we've done, so it's pretty monumental here. Want to take a look at the nutrition facts and ingredients? All right. Is there a story? Is this a story? Is there a story to this? I like it when hot sauces have a story. USDA organic certification requirements. Great tasting product you can trust. This is our promise. Nature's promise. Alright, we got a pre-perforated here. Just like that, just like butter. Just give you guys idea of the color, the texture, etc. So this is maybe a little bit more watery than I'm used to. Yeah, it's definitely very liquidy. Oh, am I supposed to shake it? Smells good. Smells like jalapenos. I don't think this is gonna be that spicy, but I could be wrong. I've been wrong before about a lot of the habanero ones. This is not a habanero one, obviously. So we'll see. Oops. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's a really good taste, really good flavor. I think I would have liked this better in terms of taste. It was just a little bit less spicy. It's not what I expected in terms of spiciness, but it's not like it's ridiculous, but it was definitely surprising. I guess it was a pleasant surprise. Sure, well, why not? Well, one more taste, and then I'll give my final thoughts, my final verdict on this hot sauce. Got a little too much here, huh? I think I'm gonna like this one. It's probably a little bit overpriced because it's organic, but what are you gonna do? All right, final thoughts, final verdict, final number ranking. Flavor, the actual taste of the hot sauce. 1 out of 10, 10 being the highest, or the most flavorful. I'm gonna give this about an 8, to be honest. Probably about an 8. And in terms of spiciness, 10 being very, very spicy. I think 7. I mean, it's definitely spicy, but it's nothing ridiculous. I think if I had more food with like other flavors and stuff, this would taste a lot better. And I think it would actually be a little bit less spicy. Don't ask me my logic behind that. So there it is, guys. Nature's Promise organic jalapeno hot sauce. Bold and spicy. Oh, here there's little number things at the bottom. I don't know what those mean. Those don't mean anything. Oh, it's gluten free. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves and enjoy.